When foreign investors set up a company in Vietnam, most of the focus is placed on licensing, approvals, and market entry strategy. The Investment Registration Certificate and Enterprise Registration Certificate are often seen as the most critical steps, but there is one document that quietly determines how your company will actually operate. That document is the company charter in Vietnam, and without understanding its legal requirements, your investment may face risks from the very beginning. A company charter in Vietnam is a mandatory legal document under Vietnam company law. It acts as the internal constitution of the company, and must comply with Vietnam company charter requirements. It defines the company's structure, governance, and operational rules. For foreign-owned companies in Vietnam, this document is not just for compliance, it is the legal foundation that determines how control and decision-making are exercised. Many foreign investors assume that the company charter is a standard document that can be completed quickly using templates. However, Vietnam company charter requirements include specific provisions that must be clearly defined. These legal requirements are not just formalities, they directly impact how the company functions and how investor rights are protected. Failing to meet these requirements can create legal risks that are difficult to resolve later. Under Vietnam company law, a company charter must include key elements such as the company's name, business lines, charter capital, and ownership structure. It must also define the rights and obligations of members or shareholders. In addition, the charter must specify the organizational structure of the company, including management bodies and their authority. These elements form the basic legal framework of any company in Vietnam. One of the most important aspects of a company charter in Vietnam is the governance structure. This includes how decisions are made, how votes are counted, and who has authority to act on behalf of the company. Voting thresholds, board composition, and management roles must be clearly defined. For foreign investors in Vietnam, this is where control is either secured or unintentionally limited. Another critical requirement under Vietnam company charter requirements is the designation of the legal representative. This individual has the authority to represent the company in legal and commercial transactions. If the charter does not clearly define the scope of this authority, it can create significant risks. Many disputes involving foreign invested companies in Vietnam arise from unclear or overly broad authority of the legal representative. The company charter must also be consistent with other legal documents, such as shareholders agreements or joint venture agreements in Vietnam. If there are inconsistencies, enforcement becomes complicated. In practice, authorities often rely on the company charter as the primary document. This means that any protections included in other agreements must be properly reflected in the charter to be effective. Foreign investors often underestimate the importance of customizing the company charter. Many rely on generic templates or allow local partners to draft the document without detailed review. Others fail to align the charter with their investment structure. These mistakes can lead to loss of control, operational limitations, or disputes that could have been avoided with proper legal structuring. A properly drafted company charter in Vietnam ensures that the company operates in accordance with both legal requirements and the investor's objectives. It provides clarity on governance, reduces the risk of disputes, and strengthens enforceability. For foreign investors in Vietnam, this document is not just about compliance, it is about protecting your investment and ensuring long-term stability. At LTS Law, we provide legal services for foreign investors in Vietnam by drafting and reviewing company charters that fully comply with Vietnam company charter requirements while reflecting your strategic goals. We ensure that your legal structure is clear, aligned, and enforceable. Before setting up a company in Vietnam, visit lts.com.vn and consult with our legal team to ensure your company is built on a strong and compliant foundation.